Alam mo, yung security, ayaw nilang magdaan na dito kasi magtuloy na raw. Sabi ko, is in your heart. At least to accommodate baka sakali. Now, so it was, and still now, a series of government, from the Spaniards to the Americans. O sabi, sino may-ari? Naka-notice doon, those who are interested to apply for homestead. Or sabi niya, Google to. Pero ito ang sabihin mo, balang araw. Hindi naman niya alam, maging presidente ako, sinasabi ko na sa inyo. It has to be understood by the Christians and the Muslims.